Hey guys, it's Eric Green, founder of Tax Rep Network. I just wanted to respond to why tax organizers and questionnaires are critical for entity tax returns. 1120, 1120S, 1065s, 990s, because most people think of the organizers really for individuals. That's actually not true. It is critical for a number of reasons. Number one, what we tend to see a lot of is when there's a problem, the taxpayer starts trying to blame the preparer. This will basically ensure completeness and accuracy, and it also supports what was provided by the client and what wasn't. All right. It helps make sure that you have everything you need to do for compliance. It minimizes the client communication back and forth, chasing down particular items or asking questions. Because if they've done this, uh, I find that basically 95% of the stuff is done. It's there. There might be a few loose questions, but this constant chasing of clients and asking about, do you have this? Do you have that? That all goes away. All right. And it also helps facilitate your review and also being ready for an audit. If there is an audit notice, if you do have to respond to the government, federal or state, knowing what the client provided is going to be critical because you tend to try to find this stuff out. That audit might be anywhere from 6 to 9 months after you file the return to 2 years. And what I find is once you get out 6, 9 months, a year, no one remembers anymore. Where did that number come from? Whatever. If you've received it through the questionnaire and slash organizer, it's very clear what was provided. Okay. And we have instances now we're involved in audits where it's very unclear where the number came from. That is not where, especially as the preparer, you want to be, because it opens you up potentially to liability, potential risk in terms of, penalties, et cetera, the client's going to want paid. So I know that we're thinking about this for individuals. Trust me, when it comes to entities, partnerships, S Corp, C Corps, the 1120, 1120S, 990s, all of those, the organizer, that information questionnaire is just as critical, if not more critical.